have seen this structure CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. What is this? This is butane. This is the straight chain butane. So you can write N-butane. This N is applied for the straight chain compounds. This is N-butane. Okay. And now this is what? No. N is for the straight chain compounds. जो कंपाउंड को कहीं पे ब्रांचिंग नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, सिर्फ स्ट्रेट चेन है, तो वहाँ पे क्या लगाने का? N लगाने का. N-butane. This compounds is the compound structure are of two types. One is straight chain compounds. One is straight chain compound means no any branches attached. यहीं पे उसको कोई attach है कोई substituent वगैरह कुछ नहीं. Only there is a straight chain compound. So this is called as straight chain. If the compound is straight, then you can write prefix like N-butane. Okay. And some compounds are branched chain. What? Branched. म्हणजे त्याला अशी ब्रांच फुटलेली असते. दिस इज लाईक अ ब्रांच. कंपाऊंड स्ट्रेट चेन सुद्धा असो, कंपाऊंड स्ट्रेट चेन असतो, त्याला खाली अशी काहीतरी एक ब्रांच असते, म्हणजे दिस इज कॉल्ड एज सब्स्टिट्यूएंट. इसको अपन क्या बोलेंगे? सब्स्टिट्यूएंट. यानी कि स्ट्रेट चेन कंपाउंड को एक क्या सब्स्टिट्यूएंट अटैच है, कोई ग्रुप अटैच है, जित ऐसा अगर स्ट्रेट चेन के ग्रुप अटैच होंगे तो उसको बोलने का सब्स्टिट्यूएंट. और ये है ब्रांचड चेन, ये है स्ट्रेट चेन. ये स्ट्रेट चेन, ये वाला ब्रांच चेन. ओके. अब जब ऐसे सब्स्टिट्यूएंट अटैच है, देखो अपन ने क्या बोले थे, अगर सब्स्टिट्यूएंट वगैरह है तो वो कहाँ गए? प्रीफिक्स में आ गया. ओके. वर्ड रूट के पहले उनको लेने का, वर्ड रूट के पहले उनको लेने का. तो अगर ये एग्जांपल है, सपोज अपने जो भी नंबर है, एक जितने भी है कार्बन, सबसे पहले देखो कितने कार्बन है उसके अंदर? 4 कार्बन है. अब अपने को रूल अप्लाई करना है. ठीक है. रूल्स फॉर द नोमेनक्लेचर. तो रूल्स क्या बोलते हैं? द फर्स्ट रूल इज द सेलेक्ट द लॉन्गेस्ट चेन. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट रूल? Select the longest chain. So you have to select the longest chain. Then how many carbons select longest chain? 1, 2, 3. You will get the longest chain as like 3. Or you can go like this. 1, 2, 3. You can also count this 1, 2, 3 carbon. 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3. Okay. Both the ways you will get one substituent. If you go like this, you will get this substituent, and if you go like this, you will get this substituent. Right? Okay, both the ways are same, so you can go any way. I will take this way. What? CH3. I will select this longest chain. 1, 2, 3 carbon. This CH3 will be the substituent. Okay. Now, the first rule is select the longest chain. You select the longest chain. 3 carbon chain is the longest chain. Okay. Then you have to give numbering to the to the carbon chain. अब ये चेन को तुमको नंबरिंग देना है, बट नंबर देते हो. और एक रूल क्या है? जिस कार्बन को ये तुम्हारा सब्स्टिट्यूएंट अटैच है, ये सब्स्टिट्यूएंट को कम से कम नंबर मिलना चाहिए. क्या मिलना चाहिए? द लोवेस्ट पॉसिबल नंबर शुड बी गिवन टू दैट कार्बन विच हॅज सब्स्टिट्यूएंट अटॅच्ड. ज्या कार्बनला सब्स्टिट्यूएंट अटॅच आहे त्या कार्बनला कमीत कमी पॉसिबल नंबर भेटायला पाहिजे. सपोज आय हॅव गिवन नंबर फ्रॉम लाईक दिस 1, 2, 3. The 2 number is given for the carbon which has substituent. Okay, suppose I give number from right side 1, 2, 3. From both the sides the carbon is getting which number? 2 number. दोन्ही साइडने तेच नंबर भेटत आहे. तर कुठल्याही एका साइडचे नंबर घ्या. सपोज लेफ्ट साइडने नंबर दिलेले आपण पकडले. Now what you have to do? You have to first write the name of the substituent. Now while writing the name of substituent, if the group is like CH3, okay, if the group is CH3, the name of the substituent is methyl. What is the name? Methyl. If the name of the substituent is C2H5, then the name of the substituent is ethyl. Now the C2H5 can be like this, CH2, CH3. Both are same. C2H5 and CH2, CH3 are the same because how many carbons are here? 2 carbons. 2. How many hydrogens are there? 3 and 2? 5. The both are the same. Okay. This is called as ethyl. If there is a C3H9 is there, it is called propyl. You have to just apply YL. Okay. When you are writing substituent, you will have to add the suffix like YL for these names. For one carbon meth is there, and if it is working as a substituent, you have to write ending with YL. This is ethyl, this is propyl, just like butyl, pentyl, hexyl, further names are there. Okay. Now the substituent is CH3. what will be the name of the substituent? Methyl. And while writing the name of substituent, you should have to mention the number of the substituent, number of the carbon on which this substituent is attached. जिस कार्बन को ये अटैच है उसका नंबर भी बोलने का, कितने नंबर कार्बन को अटैच है ये? 2 नंबर का. तो क्या लिखने का पहले? 2 methyl. How many carbons are there in the parent chain? 3. What is the word root for the 3 carbon? Prop. What is the word root? Prop. And here you can see carbon having which bond? Single bond. So the suffix will be ANE. The name of this compound is 2-methyl propane. The name of this compound is 2-methyl propane. Got it? Okay. In this way you have to give names. Suppose I will give you structure like this. Now what will you do? What is the first rule? You have to look for this longest chain. Select the longest chain. How many carbons are there in the longest chain? Suppose I will go like this: 1 2 3 4. I am getting 4 carbons. 1 2 3 4. I am getting 4 carbons. 1 2 3, getting 4 carbons. 1 2 3 4, getting 4 carbons. Okay, you are maximum time you are getting the carbon chain with the 4 carbons. Okay, suppose I am selecting like this longest chain. 4 carbons are there. Okay, and I am also getting a substituent also here, right? Now the first rule is completed. You have selected the longest chain. Second rule what says? If there is a substituent, then the substituent attached to the carbon, what? The substituent attached to the carbon should get lowest possible number. Now if you give a number from this side, 1 2 3 4, the substituent attached carbon are getting 3 number. And if you give number from left side, 1 2 3 4, the carbon which has the substituent is getting 2 number. So what is the lowest possible number? 2 or 3? 2 is the lowest possible number. So you will give numbering from left side. This will not applied here. Okay. Now 1 2 3 4. Any other group is there? No. Now you have to just, what is the rule? If there is substituent, the name of substituent should be written before the word root. हेला अगोदर घ्यायचं word root ला. कितने नंबर कार्बन को अटैच है ये? 2 नंबर कार्बन. क्या लिखने का? 2-methyl. How many numbers carbon chain is there? 4. The word root for 4 is bute. Carbon single bond is there, so ending with ANE. This is 2-methyl butane. Clear? In this way you have to apply rules for each and every carbon. So select the longest chain. If there is substituent, that substituent attached to the carbon should get lowest possible number. Okay, these are the simple rules for the alkane. Okay, all compounds should have the same rule, that select the longest chain वगैरह सबको same है. But यहाँ पे substituent है, alkane में सिर्फ क्या आ सकता है? Substituent आ सकता है, फिर फंक्शनल ग्रुप अटैच है तो वो भी आ सकता है. But अपन सिंपल से शुरू करें. We are going from the basics. These are the basic structures like this. Okay. Again in the alkane there is a one concept, that is isomerism or isomers. Isomerism or isomers. What is the concept? This isomerism. Iso means similar or same. Now what is the isomerism? This isomerism is the concept in which the two compounds, how many? The two compounds have similar molecular formula. What? They have similar molecular formula but different structural formula, but different structure. You can also say that, but different structure. Okay, what they have similar molecular formula but different structures. These type of compounds are called as isomers of each other. असे कंपाउंड ज्यांचा फॉर्म्युला सेम आहे परंतु स्ट्रक्चर डिफरंट आहे त्याला काय म्हणायचं? ते एकमेकांचे काय असतात? आयसोमर्स असतात. आणि त्या फेनॉमेनाला काय म्हणतो आपण? आयसोमेरिझम. द कन्सेप्ट इन विच the compounds have similar molecular formula but different structures are called as isomerism, and the compounds are called as isomers. Now here is the example of isomers. Okay, now you can see here, what is the formula for this N-butane? C4H10. C4H10 is there. Now please apply the molecular formula for this compound also. How many carbons are there? 1 2 3 4. C4. How many hydrogens are there? you will get hydrogen number 10. Can you notice that both the structures have similar molecular formula? Are these okay? They both structures has similar molecular formula, but they have different structure. This is a straight chain compound and this is a branched chain compounds. They have both different structures. So the compounds which have similar molecular formula but different structure are called as isomers of each other. These are called as isomers of each other. Now again one more example we will take CH2, 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 CH3, okay, and here CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, and here CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, right. Now calculate the structural formula for this structure. How many carbons are there? How many carbons are here? 5. How many hydrogens are there? 12 hydrogens are there. Count here also. How many carbons are there? Carbons? 5 carbons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And hydrogen? You will get same molecular formula, but there is again difference in the structure. The name of this compound is, it is a straight chain. How many carbons are there? 5. For 5 word root is pent. Carbon carbon single bond, so suffix will be ANE. The name of this compound is pentane. Here select the longest chain, you will get 4 carbon chain. Okay, now here is the presence of substituent. This substituent should get lowest possible number, so numbering should be given from this. Am I right? Okay, 1, 2. Now write the name of substituent first. 2 methyl. Count the total number of carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4. For 4 the word root is but. Carbon carbon single bond is there, so ANE. 2 methyl butane. This is the name of this compound, and these two structures are isomers of each other. Why? Because they are having similar molecular formula but difference in their structure. And remember one more thing, if any compound has methyl group, what? Methyl group at second number of carbon. What I am telling, if any structure has methyl group in the second number of carbon, the prefix in common names iso is written. What? Iso. The structure will be, how many carbons are there? 4. So just write isobutane. This is a common name, isobutane. IUPAC नेम क्या था इसका? 2-methyl propane. इसका नाम था 2-methyl propane, बट कॉमन नेम में अपने क्या यूज करें? आइसो. आइसो कब लगता है? जब अगर तुम्हारे कंपाउंड के अंदर सेकंड नंबर कार्बन पे कौन अटैच होगा? अगर मिथाइल ग्रुप अटैच होगा तो क्या बोलने का उसको? आइसो लगाने का, और टोटल कार्बन गिनने का कितने हैं? 4, तो क्या बोलने का? ब्यूटेन. बट द IUPAC नेम इज 2-methyl propane. Here also can you see that the second carbon has a methyl group. तो यहाँ पे अपन आइसो लगा सकते हैं इसको. क्या बोलने का? आइसो. कितने कार्बन है? 5, तो डायरेक्ट क्या बोलने का? आइसो पेंटेन. In this way you can write the common name also if the second number carbon in the structure has a methyl group. Again there is a one more concept. If in the structure the carbon has 2 methyl groups, the second number carbon has 2 methyl groups, then the suffix in the common, the prefix in the common name neo is used. What? Neo. यहाँ पे क्या यूज करे थे? आइसो. आइसो क्यों लगाए थे? क्योंकि 2 नंबर कार्बन को एक मिथाइल ग्रुप है तो क्या लगाए? आइसो. अगर तुम्हारे स्ट्रक्चर के अंदर 2 नंबर कार्बन पे नंबरिंग देने का इसको है तो सेलेक्ट द लॉन्गेस्ट चेन. 1, 2, 3. आया 2 नंबर कार्बन. 2 नंबर कार्बन में कितने मिथाइल ग्रुप है यहाँ पे? आप 2 मिथाइल ग्रुप है. तो अगर 2 मिथाइल ग्रुप रहे तो सफिक्स क्या लगाने का? प्रीफिक्स क्या लगाने का? नियो लगाने का. क्या लगाने का? नियो. और कितने कार्बन से काउंट करो? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. दिस इज नियो pentane. Neo pentane. And what will be the IUPAC name for this compound? The first rule what says? Select the longest chain. This is the longest chain. Then give numbering. Numbering भी दे दिए. अगर इधर से भी दिए तो 1, 2 नंबर आने वाला है उसको. कहीं से भी दिए तो सेम ही है. उसके बाद क्या करने का है? जो तुम्हारे सब्स्टिट्यूएंट है उनको पहले लो. तो सब्स्टिट्यूएंट कितने हैं? 2 ही. अब 2 नंबर कार्बन पे दोनों भी हैं. तो क्या लिखने का, 2 बार लिखना है। कैसा, 2 2, कितने मिथाइल है, 2 ही, इसलिए क्या लिखे 2 2, 2 रहने से उसको क्या लगाने का, डाई लगाने का, क्या डाई। अगर 3 रहते थे तो ट्राई, 1 रहते थे तो मोनो, उसको बोलने की जरूरत नहीं थी, डायरेक्ट 2 मिथाइल लिखते थे अपन। बट 2 रहने से क्या लगाया अपन ने, डाई लगाए। क्या है 2 सब्स्टिट्यूएंट, इसका नाम क्या है, मिथाइल, 2 2 डाई मिथाइल। हाउ मेनी कार्बन आर देयर, 3. द वर्ड रूट फॉर 3 कार्बन, प्रोप, कार्बन कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड, सो एंडिंग विथ ANE, राइट। 2 2 dimethyl propane, common name will be neopentane. Now can you please calculate the molecular formula for this structure? How many carbons are there? Am I right? 1 2 3 4 5 carbons are there. And how many hydrogens are there? 3 3 3 3. You will get 12 hydrogens. How many? 12 hydrogen. And now please notice here, this pentane has C5H12, this 2-methyl butane or isopentane has C5H12, and this neopentane also has C5H12. So can I say that these all 3 structures are isomers of each other? They have same molecular formula but different in their structure. This is a straight chain, this is a branch chain having 1 methyl group, but here the second carbon has 2 methyl group. You can easily say that this is a different structure, this is different structure, and this is different in structure, but they have similar molecular formula. So these are the alkanes, and these structures are isomers of each other.